Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. If the integral from number 0 to a, you got about 3x squared dx equals to number 8. Find the value of 8. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That's it about the integration. S to the power of n dx. You got about s to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and we put about c. So for this one, you will have about s to the power of 3 over 3, because number 2 represent about n plus 1, you got about 3, similar for this one. And we put the bounds from 0 to a. So 3 divided by 3, now you got about s to the power of 3. And we put a and number 0 go here. And you got about a to the power of 3. A to the power of 3 equals to a. And now we can find the value of a. That should be about number 2 after we put the cubic root for the both sides. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.